Substance B has a half-life of 5 days. The substance is undetectable when the number of unchanged atoms drops to 4% of the original. How long will this take? We have that n was p times 0.5 to the n, where n is the number of half-lives. We want this to drop to 4% of p. The p's will cancel, and so we're solving 0.04 is equal to 0.5 to the n. So let's look at what happens to 0.5 to the n. If n is 1, it's 0.5. If n is 2, it's 0.25, 0.5 squared. For n is 3, it's 0.125. For n is 4, it's 0.0625. Still not quite as far as 4%. Going one more step halves this again and gives us 0.03125. So now we're below 4%. So we could take this as being 5 half-lives times the 5 days is 25 days. In the next example, we'll look at how to get a more accurate number of days using the class pad.